Hi, hello. A lot of you have asked me to make a makeup tutorial, so I'm finally making one. I always start with my base, and I'm using a matte finish full coverage foundation, and I just use a wet sponge to apply that. And then I go in with the same brand of concealer in a lighter shade, and I just kind of put it in a few spots under my eyes to brighten up my eyes a bit. For concealer, I use these little matchsticks by Fenty Beauty, and I just carve out my cheekbones a little bit, and then I also put it down my nose to make my nose look thinner and a little more snatched. I actually use a little eyeshadow brush to blend out my nose contour. I find it's a lot better than a fluffy brush because I can be a little bit more precise with it. And then I use my fingers to blend out my cheekbone, just because it honestly works better than any brush or sponge. Then I use this little concealer stick and just define that line on my nose a little bit more, and fix up any bumpy edges that I made, and just blend it out with my finger a little bit. I set everything I just did with a translucent powder, and I use a lot of powder, because that's what sets my makeup. And I don't forget the under eyes, otherwise that's just gonna crease. Honestly, I probably should have used a pink blush for this, but this is my favorite blush of all time, so I decided to use it instead, and I just kind of put that on top of where I put the contour, and then I also put a little bit on my nose, because, you know, why not? For highlighter, I use the third stick in the Fenty Beauty matchsticks, and I just put it, again, on the top of my cheekbones, and then on my nose as well, and where I put that, like, concealer before. So for my eyebrows, clearly I shave most of them off, so I have to redraw them back on, and I use this little NYX pencil to kind of draw them up in sort of arched. I don't know, you can just kind of see the shape that I'm going for here. Now this was the best palette I've ever bought. I got this shit from Winners for like $20. So I start here with this shade, and I just put it like around my eyes. I make sure under my eyes, so it makes like a nice little darker shadowy effect. And then I go in with this pink, and I just put that shit over my eye. You know, make it pop. And don't forget under the eyes, because I love a good eyeshadow under the eyes. Okay, this color here is literally the reason why this palette is my favorite palette. It is why my makeup looks so damn good. It is literally so potent. It looks like a cut crease. It's crazy. Please get this palette for this color only. Then I tightline my eyes, and let me tell you, this was hard as fuck to do holding a mirror in one hand. I honestly did the rest off camera because this shit was hard. Then it's my favorite thing in the world is the big winged eyeliner. I wish I could tell you how I do this shit, but I don't really know. I kind of just draw a line, draw another line, make a triangle, fill it in. I kind of make like the bat wing thing because my eyes, I got a big crease there. Anyway, here's me sitting on the floor doing it off camera because I literally could not do it sitting in the chair. My hands were way too shaky. And then I do a little inner corner, just to make my eyes look snatched or whatever, I don't know. Slay. And I curl my lashes to get them ready for mascara because my lashes stick straight out. This mascara I'm using was actually gifted to me by Digital Kittens. They are an amazing community of people, and you should definitely check them out. Not to mention Desi, their founder, is the sweetest person alive. Now, I love a good false lash. I will not go anywhere without a false lash. Do not judge my dusty, crusty eyelash glue. Here's me disassociating while waiting for the glue to dry. Love that. These eyelashes were also like $2. I don't buy expensive lashes. I lose them. They get disgusting. Don't buy expensive lashes. You don't need them. Just get these ones off Amazon for like $2. Also, when I'm curling these, I'm very gently curling these. Do not pull your eyelashes off. That shit hurts. And now I'm lining my lips, and I love to overline my lips because I have a very prominent Cupid's bow, and I don't want that because I want to look like a cute little Princess Peach knockoff. So I overdraw that shit. I get rid of my Cupid's bow. I make my lips juicy and luscious because I can't afford fillers. After I get the shape I want, I fill out the line a little bit more just so it kind of blends in with my lips. And then I go in with this amazing lipstick. It is my favorite pink ever. I've bought so many ColourPop collabs. ColourPop, please sponsor me. Finally, I use this little palette that I've been using as a mirror to put on a little bit of fake freckles with a tiny little brush, because when I do my makeup, my freckles get covered and it makes me sad. Ta-da! Okay, here's my final look. This is kind of like my everyday go-to look. But yeah, thanks for watching. Very slay. Woo, if you want me to like touch on anything specific or any specific characters, let me know. Yeah, serve. Okay, bye!